Welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda. I'm a part-time reseller. I love to sell on Kidizen, Mercari, Poshmark, a little bit on eBay, and I love mystery boxes. I just love the entire reseller community. This is the thing that brings me joy, and I love it. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I spend almost all of my free time watching other people here on YouTube. So thank you guys for welcoming me to this community and watching my videos. So today I have a box that I told you I was never going to buy again, but I should stop saying that, you know. I looked extra special for you. I have so much hair and it's summertime and I don't even know what to do with this situation right now. So I have a ThredUp mystery shoebox, and this box is like always available now. It used to be so hard to find, and it was $90. Then they increased the price, and then recently they dropped the price back to $90. So that's why I decided to buy one. I actually won a giveaway from another website. I won a $100 Visa gift card. So I ended up deciding, you know what, if I look back through my YouTube videos, the most watched videos here on my channel is this unboxing of this shoe box, the women's shoe box, 15 pairs, I believe. And so I'm like, you know what, this is what my viewers like to watch, so let me order one. And it didn't cost me a penny because I used my gift card, and then the extra $10 bought my kids a couple t-shirts from the children's place because they always have free shipping. So let's jump in. Where did this box come from actually? Suwanee, Georgia. So I'm here in Florida and most of my boxes come from Georgia. So let's just see what we've got. Here's the first match I see. And you know what? Even if these all suck, I've had amazing boxes and great boxes. I can't be mad about it because it was a free gift card. So this is the brand Abella. I've not heard of this before. It is a size 10. Kidizen, it has a name. I don't know. They're cute. They're like a brown and black, and some little flats that are actually in really great condition. So, okay, that's pair number one. All right, number two. This is the brand Echo. And I will say I have seen this recently a lot on other YouTube channels. Like there are sandals, men's and women's sandals. I've never listed a pair. I've never purchased a pair. So they're just some cute slip-ons. They feel like very nice leather. They are a US size 9. It says Echo Danish design. It doesn't say that it's real leather, but it feels super buttery soft. So these are very cute. They're just black. And they're a little yellowed on the bottoms, but otherwise they're in pretty great shape. They need a little bit of a wipe down, but I bet these are super comfortable. Okay, what else matches this? No, this, okay. These look like some fake Converse, and they are. They have nothing inside. It says 42, and they're fluffy, and they say Dan's Abstar. I don't know. These are pretty awful. Let's just be honest. I don't know how they're even tied together. I don't see the end of, there is no end to the laces. They just keep going. So they're like just slip on. They are super soft, but they're very dirty around the edges. They're coming across really nice on the screen, but they are very dirty. These will probably just get redonated. There's another pair that matches. They're all just kind of, I will have to say I'm a little sad I didn't get any bubbles. Usually Georgia is pretty great about sending bubbles, but see, okay. These, Madden Girl, Steve Madden is just what you expect to get in these boxes at this, well, me anyway, at this point. I know these are pretty trendy, this particular style. They are Serena, size 9. I mean, anytime I've listed Steve Madden, they've sold, not for a ton usually, but these actually are in pretty great condition. They show a little bit of wear around the edges, typical of having a white rubber base, but the top part is in great shape. Today, my husband was like, how can I help you? We must have taken photos of about 100 items. So that was super exciting. So I'll add this to a pile tomorrow. All right, these are just some Lucky Brand little flats, some black flats. They look really tiny. Is there a size? Yes. Size 6.5, leather upper. So just some very basic little flats, but they feel like they would be very comfortable as well. They don't show a lot of wear. So I'll probably give them a little rub down with my Wonder Balsam just because I love cleaning shoes and making them look super nice. Where's the other one of that? Oh, I don't see it. So we'll grab these. Oh, this is heavy. What is it? Superga? I have heard of this. Have I had this before? I don't think so. Superga. These are a velvety shoe. They are size US 7.5. No. What does this mean? Europe size 40. USA USA men's 7.5. Women's 9. Cotton and rubber. So they can be men's or women's. They're very heavy. Like, I don't know that I'd want to wear these because they feel like they weigh a couple pounds. But they are in okay shape. A magic eraser will make that look nice again. Gum soles to me always kind of show wear quickly. So, okay. I don't know how much these shoes cost, but I know that is a decent brand. Okay, here's the next. This brand I've never heard of. It's called Simple. It says Simple on the bottom. They're in pretty great shape. They are leather upper and lining, Spice and V, size 7.5. Okay. They're like a navy with tan around the bottoms. Maybe it's a comfort shoe brand. I don't know. They're very cute and they're in very good shape. So can't complain about those. Ooh, these look cute. What are these? Some heels. So they look like they're embroidered. They're not. It's just printed on there. So yeah, they're cute, but they're like nothing. They have no brand in there. It just has like a little flower. It says nothing anywheres, and it just has the number 43 on the bottom. So these are definitely like just some cheapy heels, but maybe I could get 10 bucks for them or so. I didn't do a good job telling you they were $90. So with shipping, what does that make these? $6 again? Or the old price, was it free shipping? Can't remember. I'll put it down below, but around $6 a pair is what you end up spending on these boxes. Here are some flip-flops. They are Primark, which I feel is very similar to like an H&M. They are worn. And they don't have a size on them. They have the RN number, but they just say M on the bottom. So maybe that means medium. But they look like the typical like 7 to 9. I don't know. I'm an 8. They would fit me. So just some little palm sandals. These match. What are these? Oh, these are vents. Okay. That could be decent. They are... What does this look like? Snakeskin. They're definitely worn. They've got a cute little buckle. How does this work? I mean, they definitely show some wear here. I don't see a size anywhere. Here's the other one. Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna have to measure these, because I don't know where the size would have been. Oh, I lied. Okay, they're an 8.5. It's printed very, very lightly here on the strap. Well, I'm an 8.5. I don't know that I would wear these, but they're very cute. So there you have it. Some vents, snakeskin style. I don't know if they're real snakeskin. I don't know. I'll have to look them up. But size 8.5. Little flats with the ties around the waist. Oh my gosh. It's dark outside, obviously. The ankles. Okay. Here's a pair of heels. I guess snakeskin is kind of our theme. These are just some Ankline iFlex size 10. Man-made everything. But they are in okay shape. Maybe. Let me look at the other one. Yeah, so they're just okay. I don't know. Excuse me. I don't know how well Ankline will do, but maybe I'll still list these and try to recoup my money. Okay, I'm still holding this one random shoe. Where's the match? I haven't seen it. Here it is. Okay, another pair of Steve Madden. I did sell a pair like this from a recent box very ecquickly for like 20 bucks. These are like a quilted, what does it say? Eccentric, I don't know. Also size 8.5, but it's all man-made. Just some little slip-ons. There's those. Nothing like super exciting, but I mean, nothing that I feel like is unsellable. There are 3 pairs left. Okay, these are Mark Fisher. They feel like real suede. They are leather upper, size 11. Yes. So a big size. Here they are. They also have a cute little wrist. So a lot of like spring, summer style. So maybe these will sell for me. Okay. These are Michael Kors, size 7.5. Like a cage style. With a zip up the back. They do not look like they were worn very much. They're cute. Here we go. And 1 pair left. Ooh, I just saw the brand of them. Okay, so save the best for last unintentionally. These are Fry. They are some cowgirl boots, but they're booties. These are really, really cute. And I know my Wonder Blossom is going to make these look great. They are a size 10, maybe? They are very cute. If I went country line dancing, I would definitely see if I could fit these. But these are cute. These might pay for the box, actually. Very, very nice. Okay, so that's my box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are probably the only ones that I will donate. 13, 14, and 15. So exactly 15 pairs. So yeah, the knockoff Converse will probably go. These little palm shoes will probably, I don't know, maybe I'll keep them. And I don't know about these because, they're cute, but they're definitely, like, the graphics pretty good, but they're not embroidered or anything like that, and they have no brand. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Obviously, like I said, these are my most watched videos. So you guys like the shoe boxes? Is it because you buy them yourself? You're curious? I don't know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do have a couple more boxes to unbox for you. I might have bought a couple of today, one that I said I would never buy again, but that's just how I roll. And I will be coming up with my couple what sold videos. I'm trying to get on top of that and put those out sooner so that you guys can see what's selling like now instead of like a month from now. So, all right, guys, I hope you have a great night. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.